Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Easy Tutorials. Today in this video we will learn to add background video on website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see on my computer screen, here on this website I have added the background image and there is one play icon. When I click on this icon, it will remove the background image and it will display the background video. When the video is playing, you can see a pause icon to pause this video. When we click on the same icon, it is changing from play icon to pause or play the background video. We will make this website with background video using HTML, CSS and very simple JavaScript. But before starting this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials. Now let's start this tutorial. Here in this folder, I have one index.html file, one style.css file and one folder called images, and in this one I have some images, icons and one video that I will be using on this website. You can find all these images download link in the video description. Now let me open these files with my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor. So this is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structures. And this one is the CSS file. Here I have added this link to import the Google font. If you want to add the attractive font on your website, you can go to Google font website and add the link. In this HTML file, I have added this link tag that will connect the HTML and CSS file. Next we will add the code in the body tag that will be displayed on our web page. So here we will add one div with the class name hero. Now let's add the CSS for this one. So write this class name here in this CSS file, and here we will add the width, then we will add the height, and here we will add background image URL, and in this URL we will add the file path of the image. So it is in the images folder and the file name is background.png. So we will add the file path here, images/background.png. It is the file path of the image. Next we will add the background position and background size. Then we will add the position relative. Now open this HTML file with any web browser so you can see this image on complete screen. Let me close this browser and I will open the browser with the Visual Studio Code extension called Live Server, so that it will automatically refresh the website whenever we will add any changes in the code file and save the code file. So you can see the same web page, but the URL has been changed. Let's come back to the code file. Here we will add one image with the img tag, and the file name, it is hamburger.png. It is a menu icon. Write the class name menu icon. You can see this icon on the web page. Let's add the CSS. So write this class name here, and here we will add the position absolute, top 0 and left 0. So it will be at the top left corner. Then we will add the width, and background will be this color code RGBA. So it is the white color with 0.5 opacity. So here we will add padding 30 pixel and 25 pixel. That will be space around this icon. Then we will add cursor pointer. So you can see this icon at the top left corner with the partial transparent white background. After that we have to add sidebar. So let's come back, and here we will add one div with the class name sidebar. Let's add the CSS for this sidebar. So write this class name here, and here we will add width. Then we will add the height. Height will be 100%. Then position absolute, top 0, right 0. So it will be on the right side of the website. Then we will add the background image, and here we will add the linear gradient color. So in this linear gradient we will add the first color code, then one comma and another color code. Then some padding and color white. So you can see this gradient color on the right side. So in this sidebar we will add one top bar where we will add some icons. So first we will add one div with the class name top links. In this one, we will add one image with the img tag, write the file path. So it is arrow.png. This is the arrow icon, so write the class name arrow icon. After that, we will add a div, and in this one we will add the image, write the file path, it is audio.png, and duplicate this one. Here we will add another image, link.png. Now we have added 3 images. The 2 images are grouped in a div. You can see 3 images here. So just come back and copy this class name top links, write it here in this CSS file. For this one we will add display, then align items and justify content. So after adding this, you can see it is in the same horizontal line. Next we have to change the size and spacing. So let's come back, and here we will copy this class name, write it here, and for this icon we will add the width and cursor pointer. Now we have the other image in div tag in this top link. So just come back. Here we will add top links div, and in this div we have the img tag. For those 2 images we will add the width 30 pixel and margin from the left side and cursor pointer. Now all these 3 icons are looking good. Next we will add some text. So let's come back, and after closing of this top links div, here we will add one text in h1. So this is a name, and here we will add another text in h3. This will be the location name. Then we will add some text in p tag. So this is the small description. Then we will add one link. So we will add the a tag, and link text is more details. After adding this, you can see all these text and link in this sidebar. Next we have to add some spacing and change the font style, font color, font size. So just come back, and here we will add sidebar h1. For this title we will add some space from the top, then we will change its font size. Here we have added this Google font link for the font name. So here we will add font family and the same font name that we have added from the Google font website. I have dedicated video about Google font, how to use it. So you can see the changed font family. Next we will add the CSS for this h3. Here we have the text in h3, so we will add sidebar h3. Then we will add font weight. After that we have some text in p tag, so here we will add sidebar p. We will decrease the font size, and we will add some space from the top. So this text is also looking good. Next we will design this button, which is more details. So it is in a tag, so we will add sidebar a. So here we will add display inline block, then we will add text decoration none, so it will remove the underline. Then we will change the color of this link text, and here we will add the background white, so it will look like a button. Then we will add font size and padding. Padding will be space inside the button, and border radius, so the corners will be round. Then we will add margin top. So you can see this button looks good. Next we have to add one icon on this background image. That will be a play icon. So just come back, and after closing of this sidebar is closing here, so here we will add a space and write img tag, write the file path, it is images/play.png, which is the play icon, and we will add one id called btn. Now you can see this icon at the top left corner, so we have to set the position for this icon. So write this id here in the CSS file with the hashtag, because it is an id. Here we will add the position absolute, then top 50% and left let's add 30%, then transform translate y minus 50%, so it will be vertically center. Then we will add width 100 pixel and cursor pointer, so you can see the perfect position for this play icon. Next we have to add one background video, so just come back and scroll up, and just after this div, here we will add a space and write video tag, video open and closing tag. In this one we will add autoplay, loop, muted, then plays inline, and inside this tag we will add source, then write src, and here we have to add the file path of the video that we want to display. So it is in the images folder, and the file name is, let me show you, it is in images folder and the file name is video.mp4. So we will add the same file name here in this code file, images/video.mp4. then we will add type will be video/mp4. So it will add the video on the website. Let's see. Here we can see this video, but you can see the size of this video is large. That's why we are getting this horizontal scrolling and vertical scrolling option. So we have to fix the size of this background video so that it will fit with the screen size. So here we will add one ID, and let's add the ID back video. Copy this one and come back to the CSS file. Here we will add this ID with the hashtag, and here we will add the position absolute, right 0 and bottom 0. So it will fix its size. Next we will add the media, min aspect ratio 16/9. Then we will add the same ID, back video, width 100% and height auto. Let's duplicate it and we will change it as max aspect ratio, and in this one we will change the width auto and height 100%. So it will make the video size responsive for all screen size. After adding this, you can see this video size is perfect fit for this screen size. Next we have to hide this video. Right now this video is displaying by default and the background image is hidden. So we will hide this video and it will be displayed after clicking on this play icon. To hide this video, here we will add display none. So this video will be hidden. We will only see the image in the background, and on this image we have this play icon. Once we will click on this play icon, it should again display the video. For that, let's come back to the HTML file, and here just above this closing body tag we will create the script tag. Here we will add some JavaScript. So first we will create some variables. So here we will add let back video equal to document.getElementById, and we will add the same ID which is back video. Let's duplicate this line, and here we will add this ID btn. Let btn equal to document.getElementById btn. So we have added two variables here. Then we have to add the click function on this button which is btn. So here we will add btn.onClick equal to function, and within this function we will add some line of code that will be executed whenever we will click on the play or pause icon. So let's add this variable here, back video dot style dot display equal to block. So earlier it was none, and when we will click here it will make the display block, so it will be visible. So let's check these things. If I click on this play icon, this video is visible. But right now we cannot pause this video, it is playing continuously. So next we have to pause this video also. So let's come back, and in the next line we will add if condition, if the back video dot paused. So if the video is paused, what will happen? It will make it play. For that we will add back video dot play. Next we will add the else condition. In this else we will add back video dot pause. After adding this, again come back to the website, and if I click here, it will start playing the video in the background, and if I click again, it will pause this video. If I click again, it will start playing from the same point. If I click again, it will pause this video. But the icon is not changing. The icon is still a play icon. So the icon should also change whenever we will click here. So here we will add this variable btn. In this image, you can see we have added the src and the file path. So we have to change it using the variable btn. So here we will add btn dot src, that is the source of the image. So in this src, we will add the file path. It is images/pause.png, another image file path. Let's copy this one and we will add it here in this else condition, and we will change the image. It is play.png, like this. Just after adding this, again come back to the website. If I click on this play icon, it will start playing the video. If I click on this pause icon, it will pause this video. So you can see we can play and pause the background video, and the icon is also changing whenever we are clicking on this icon. And when we open the website, we will see the image instead of video. So finally, we have completed this website with full screen background video using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.